Something to Tell the Grandcows, written by Eileen Spinelli, retold by Brandon. A cow named Emmeline is going away to someone because he needs a good cow. Week after week, they are still on the steamboat. Then they see ice. We are here! Emmeline's breath froze. Her teeth are chattering. Emmeline needs to adapt to the South Pole. Emmeline noticed new animals like penguins, dogs, whales, and dolphins. Then the penguin slapped Emmeline. Emmeline snuck out and she saw the blue, green, red, and yellow sky. It was quiet and beautiful. The cows partied all night long. It was fun, Emmeline thinks. Emmeline and the other cows had a party. Emmeline was happy. The next day, Emmeline was sad. She was so far away from her family. Why do you think she was sad? Read more to find out.